Welcome back to Beauty for the Win. We are going to make a Sun Chlorella face mask today. So I have a little packet of Sun Chlorella here. This is literally the most powerful, I would say, the most powerful face mask you can ever put on your face. Not only is it natural, it's also full of antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, like a crazy amount of everything. Superfood for your face. Anti-aging, it also helps boost collagen production and anti-wrinkle, everything. Like, this is just a powerhouse mask, okay? You can get Sun Chlorella at your local health store. This is super simple to make. We're gonna make it right now. Okay, 1 teaspoon of our Sun Chlorella into our bowl. Then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of water. And we will add 3 drops of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is great for anti-aging, nourishing the skin without clogging pores. 2, 3. And now we mix. If the consistency is too thick for you, you can add a little bit more water to it, just to make it a little bit more smooth. There we go. Let's apply it. Oh, nice. Like I said, if the consistency is a little bit too thick, just add some water, very small amount, and it will easily thin it out. Okay, there we go. I have it all on my face, and you can leave this on for as long as you want. The longer the better. If it starts to feel uncomfortable, of course wash it off. However, it is a really invigorating and very refreshing feeling on your face. I love this mask so much. Another thing it really helps with is acne. You can even use little amounts of this as a spot treatment. Overnight, it works perfectly great for acne. So there's lots of benefits to this. I'm just going to leave this on for as long as I can, and then I'm going to wash it out, and you will be able to see your face will be so glowy and beautiful. So thank you so much for watching this. Stay tuned for more beauty.